We are spending a whole week exploring the beauty of wonderful Wales. Our home base is a cosy bungalow just outside of Cardigan, and we're thrilled to have Elaine's mom along for the adventure. Together we'll be discovering charming villages, stunning beaches and breathtaking coastlines. So sit back, grab a drink and come along for the journey. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Right, good morning everybody. Hello.
Good morning.
We're heading on our travels on holiday. We're off to Wales, West Wales, and we've got an added member to our channel.
Hello.
We're avoiding the motorway today. We're going the scenic route, and from here we've got just over 3.5 hours to go. Elaine's doing the driving, aren't you, Elaine?
I am, because I didn't want to sit in the back with the scooter.
Let me show you what we've got in the car. The car's packed, and we've brought a mobility scooter. I might be using it because I've got a bad back. Haha. Thinking it's time for a quick tea break. 80 miles, 2 hours and 8 minutes, and we should arrive at 3:45 in the afternoon. We have finally reached the village of Gwbert, just outside of Cardigan Bay. Well, we have arrived at our accommodation for the next 7 days. And as you can hear, it is still raining, but the forecast for the rest of the week is dry with some decent sunshine. We'll show you around the house later on. We're just going to batten down the hatches for the evening. We've spent almost 6 hours on the road today. Elaine did all of the driving, she did really well. So we're going to relax, crash out, and then tomorrow's another day. It's a lovely property. It's got a hot tub, but surprise, surprise, we're not going in it tonight. Look at them there waves. See you in the morning. Wow, jolly good Sunday morning. Blue sky. We've had a spot of breakfast. Time to get out. This is our bungalow for the week. So, how do you pronounce that then? Welcome to Cardigan. We're here. We're going to go down the high street. Let's have a look at the river. And just have a jolly good look round.
Hi.
And we're off. Sunday morning, so most shops are going to be closed. So Cardigan Castle is here, hence the sign that says Cardigan Castle. Can't see much of it from here though, but the entrance is there. So heading down towards the river. So all this is part of the castle. goodies are coming, according to Cardigan. This is the main high street in Cardigan. Walking back up it. So this is the Guildhall. That's cool. Oh, I think this looks like a sweet shop, as my mother-in-law likes to say. Goodies, and I bet it's closed on a Sunday. Typical. Typical. Spotted the fish and chip shop. Gonna have to have fish and chips while we're here on holiday. Right, I'm gonna carry on walking to the end of the shops at least. Just to give you an idea of what Cardigan town centre is like. Loving the mural. (2024) Croeso. Croeso is welcome in Welsh. Lovely. Oh. Back at our cottage, bungalow accommodation. Time for a cup of tea. Elaine's going to teach me how to make a nice cup of coffee for my mother-in-law.
Yeah, these mugs are a bit big, a bit different to the other ones, but levelish teaspoon.
Levelish teaspoon of instant coffee.
A quarter sugar.
Quarter sugar.
All Cardigan in before boiling water.
Whole milk.
Whole milk.
Whole milk.
That's it. And then it's the boiling water.
Elaine's mum does like to watch our vlogs. So if you're watching this, look, I'm being taught how to make a perfect cup of coffee for you.
Made with love.
Drop them in.
Boiling water goes first.
Oh, and for anybody who doesn't know how to make a cup of tea, this is how you make a fine cup of tea. I haven't shown you around our accommodation, have I? So we've got a nice large kitchen. All this food we've just got from Tesco down the road. This is our living space, which is lovely. And look at that for a view. How's your Welsh cakes? Delicious. The owners of the cottage provided some nice Welsh cakes. Stepping outside to enjoy some sunshine. We're going for Sunday lunch at the hotel just down the road, and when we get back I think we're going to get in the hot tub. So we've had a very nice Sunday roast at the Cliff Hotel. Now it's time to relax. With amazing dark skies, I just had to capture this moment. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.